So now you got your video or your videos uploaded to YouTube or whatever video sharing service you're using, and you're ready to now embed those into your QST Sports Network website. So I'm going to go into Create Reports and Playbooks, and I'm going to create a new design presentation. And we'll just say game versus East. Maybe that's my upcoming opponent next Friday. And I'm going to get some of their scouting stuff up there, or maybe a full game, or maybe I want to put last night's full game up there for my players to watch. Give it some kind of description for what you're doing. And on the very first page, I'm going to drop down my menu. I'm going to choose Personal Profile. And then over on the right under Template Style, I'm going to choose Embedded Video. And we'll give it a title, and we'll say Game versus East. And that's the title of the page. And now to get the actual embedded code, we're going to go back to YouTube. We're going to pick the game that we want. So in this case, it would be this one here. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to pause it because it's going to start playing. And you can see right here it says this video is unlisted, only those with the link. That means it's private. And then as I scroll down, I'm going to see a button here that says Share. I'm going to click Share. And then I'm going to click Embed, and that's going to give me the embed code. This is it right here. You can see it's already highlighted. So I'm going to either press Control and C like cat on my keyboard, or I'm going to right-click on it and click Copy. Then I'm going to go back to my Quick Scout Design, and just in here I'm going to right click and click Paste, and there's my embed code. And that's all I have to do. So that when I do go upload this, I'll go ahead and click Package Files, Package for Internet Use, and I'll select the location on my website where I want to upload it. And let's say I'm going to upload it to week 11. Hit OK. It's going to quickly go through because there's no video packaging here. It just goes through and it uploads the page. I'll go ahead and hit Done. And now, if I go to that particular website, or I go to my own website, and under post-game review, I'll go to week 11. When it opens up, we get the title screen, so we'll hit next to go to the next page. You can see this is my title that I typed in the title area. Here's my link, and this is my menu. So if I have more pages, I can go to the next page. So if I can just click here, play here, it'll actually start going through and playing. So it's an easy way for you to put a game up there, and really all you're doing is you're uploading it into YouTube, and then you're embedding into your QST Sports Network page. I can also make it full screen by clicking this button here, and that'll toggle it out to full screen. Now you are going to get, you're not going to get the best quality in the world because you're stretching the pixels pretty big, but it is something you can do. If you do want to make the video bigger, I'll give you a little hint. I'm going to close that. In my embed code, I can mess with the width and the height. The only problem is you have to make sure that you stay within that same ratio, so 420 to 315. So if I just doubled it, I'd go to 840 to 630 if I want to, and now I've doubled the size of that video on my page. So now if I package it again, and this time I'm going to go to week 10. I'll go post-game review. I'll do this one in week 10 so you can see the difference. I'll hit OK. It quickly goes through and uploads it. And now when I go to that same site, and this time I'll go to week 10, you can see I've actually doubled the size of the video, so now it plays bigger. And now there you can see the video is actually twice the size. So you can actually mess around with the settings of it yourself. You can change the size of the video and all that good stuff. That's up to you. Now what's nice about this is if you've got 3 or 4 different video segments that you've uploaded to YouTube and you want to put them all in one place for a student, all I have to do is go new page, and now I'm on page 2. And I'll change that to embedded video also. And I'll go to my YouTube account and I can paste a completely different video in there. So maybe I've got the run plays, the pass plays, and the special teams plays. And I want to put page 1 as my run, this would be my pass, then another one as my special teams. Upload all 3 of them, and now you've got a nice little video library of your games or your opponents. Basically your season is what you're doing there. Okay? You can also create highlights for the players, and you can put those into the QST Sports Network portfolio side. So you've got a lot you can do with this now that you're able to upload to a website and then embed that code into the QS design. And that's how the QS design works with the embedded video.